Uttar Pradesh police have successfully rescued an 8-year-old girl who was kidnapped from Karnailganj area of Gonda district in Uttar Pradesh. Kidnappers disguised themselves as social workers, distributed face masks when the kid was kidnapped. After the crime was reported, multiple police teams were formed to solve the case. In fact, Special Task Force team also took part in the operation. Soon, the victim's family received a phone call from a woman demanding a ransom of 4 crores for the safe return of the infant. Police intercepted the criminals in a para village of Gonda district after a tip-off. Soon an encounter broke out and the kid was safely rescued. 2 criminals with bullet injuries on their legs were then taken to the hospital. The woman who made that call for a ransom has also now been arrested.
मुठभेड़ में अपहृत बच्चे को सकुशल बरामद किया गया तथा पुलिस कार्रवाई में 2 बदमाश उमेश यादव एवं दीपू कश्यप घायल हुए तथा सूरज पांडे एवं उनकी पत्नी छवि पांडे तथा उनका छोटा भाई राज पांडे गिरफ्तार किया गया है.
Let's cut across to Nilanshu Shukla for more reporting from Gonda, UP. Nilanshu, first of all, kidnapping is so common in Uttar Pradesh. Is this the norm? Here another 8-year-old girl, after what happened in Kanpur, now we hear another 8-year-old child was kidnapped. A ransom of 4 crores was asked from the family. The police intercepted, rescued that girl. She's brought back home. But the question is, who are these goons? What is their background? What was their motive?
Nabila, first of all, I would like to say that the Uttar Pradesh police was already facing a lot of criticism over the deteriorating law and order situation in the state, and especially after the abduction and killing of lab technician in Kanpur, the Chief Minister was extremely unhappy, and after this 8-year-old boy in Gonda was abducted in broad daylight from near a police chowki, the recovery was a big challenge for the Uttar Pradesh police, and that is why on the orders of UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, ADG Law and Order Prashant Kumar was sent to lead the operation from Lucknow, and today in the morning around 6 a.m. 5 kidnappers have been arrested after a brief encounter with the police. 2 of them have sustained bullet injuries, including a woman who has also been arrested. She made a ransom call to the family members of 8-year-old boy. So the police has also taken a sigh of relief. The recovery of 8-year-old boy in less than 24 hours has come as some hope for the government, because already the government was facing a lot of criticism, and the boy has been safely handed over to the family members. The government has announced a cash reward of rupees 2 lakh for the STF team and the local police who were part of the operations, and ADG Law and Order who led the operation has left for Lucknow, and what we have been told from our sources, he has got a call from the DGP and also from the government congratulating for the entire operation. Great. So the family members and the local people in Gonda are very happy.
Nilanshu, thank you very much. We do know that this is a successful operation by the Uttar Pradesh police. This comes after UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath cracked a whip on the police department for ineffectiveness.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.